welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, Kayla. Today, I'm going to be straightening my hair for the first time in 2 years. It's been a hot minute since I've straightened my hair. And main reason being because, well, first off, I'm lazy. But second of all, I get a lot of drugstore flat irons that just don't work on my hair and they leave my hair super frizzy. Super frustrating. But today I am using a straightener from Duval. They sent this to me and they did give me a coupon code for you to try out. It is Kayla Marie 70 for 70% off. It comes out to $28.50, so about the same price as a drugstore flat iron, but it works like a high-end flat iron. If you guys also have any curly hair girl channel recommendations, let me know because I'm going to be working on my hair in 2020. So yeah, all right, let's get into this video. You guys, this look was supposed to be a natural look. I don't know. I don't know what turns I made. I'm like going out to the club and now the clubs are open. Okay, we're going to Club Kayla in mi casa, in mi sala, and honestly, I'm about to go to bed too, so I'm just gonna take this right off. I'm going to start off by parting my hair. I'm not the best at parting, honestly. I'm not the best at like keeping my hair slick. I'm still learning how to work with my hair. I'm getting better at it, so just bear with me. So I've already done a hair mask in the shower. I used the Denman brush in the shower. I am taking, this is for kids, but I absolutely love it. Literally, I did not realize how much I love this. I have like 4 or 5 empty bottles of this, and this is like my 6th bottle. I don't know why I don't throw away the empty ones. I don't know, anyway. So this is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Kids Extra Moisturizing Detangler. I don't know what it is about it, but I love it so much. If anybody has a recommendation for a detangler, let me know. From here, I'm gonna go ahead and detangle my hair. I love the way my curls look. Problem is, the top, there's this like certain area in my head that's just extra dry, and the curls can't, for some reason, look like this. Which sucks really bad. I don't know what to do about it. If you guys have any recommendations, let me know. I'm also going to throw in some Aussie Miracle Moist Intense Hydration Oil. This is with avocado and Australian jojoba oil. I really love the scent of this one. Then I'm just gonna do this to the rest of my hair. From here, I'm gonna go back into this section and start blow drying my hair. The heat protectant, I'm gonna be using 2 just because I'm weird like that. I'm using the Total Miracle Heat Protecting Spray from Aussie. This is with apricot on Australian macadamia oil. And then before I flat iron my hair, I'm gonna use the Garnier Fructis Style Flat Iron Protector. This right now for blow drying, this for when I flat iron my hair. I have the Revlon One Step Volumizing Blow Dry. I think that's what it's called, One Step Volumizing Blow Dryer.
Could be soaked to the skin in the monsoon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. And I'll be running, possessed by a lone, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on a full moon. And we're stuck in a la-la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we
I'm gonna set it to like a little less. Ooh, that heated up real quick. This heat up like so fast. The straightener I'm gonna be using today is from Duval. It is a 1-inch ceramic plate flat iron, and ceramic plates are really good for curly hair because not only, well, hair in general, but like curly hair especially, because it will get your hair really straight. Ceramic and titanium plates are the two flat irons that I look for. Oh my god, I can't talk. This does heat up to 450, but I don't have it that high, but I was really surprised because I literally just turned it on. I put the setting to where I wanted it and I was like, is this on? There's no like red light. Oh, there's a green light. I'm so stupid. There's a green light, but I didn't see it. And I was like, is this on? I touched it and it was already hot. And I'm like, what the hell? I've never had like legitimately like instant heating plates. So I'm gonna go ahead and section off my hair and we're gonna get started. I'm gonna go ahead and spray some flat iron spray.
Watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us, and we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun, could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey, and I don't need to speak a single word. Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it, and I don't need to speak a single word. Cause you got me holding,
holding. This is how my hair turned out after so long of not straightening it. I think it's been like a legit a year or 2 years. I've just given up on the whole straightener thing because I don't want to spend a lot of money on a straightener. And also I'll get drugstore straighteners and they're complete crap. No, actually straightened it really well. So Duval did give me a coupon code for you guys to go use. It is Kayla Marie 70 for 70% off. If you want to go check it out, go purchase it. This comes out to $28.50 with my coupon code. That's so inexpensive. That's literally the price of a drugstore straightener, but it doesn't straighten like a drugstore straightener. Like, this straightens so well. It heated up so fast. So I was really surprised about that. And it really did smooth my hair out really nicely. So I don't have a lot of frizz. The only issue I'm having is on my end is my hair's so dry. My ends need a trim, girl. It needs a like, oh girl. And this is the thing too, is a lot of people think that like, oh, if I don't put heat, my hair will be healthy. No, girl, like I haven't put heat on my hair in a hot minute. It's been a while and I have a lot of damage. I don't know if it's from the sun. I don't know what it is. I just know that I don't do hair masks as often as I should. And this is what my hair looks like. It's always dry. Like, my hair cannot retain moisture to save its life. I need to work on my hair. So that is hair goals for 2020. But yes, us curly girls, girl, you gotta take care of your hair. I'm not good at hair, but honestly, it grows. So not putting heat on my hair, yes, it does grow. It's honestly a lot longer than what it used to be. It used to be like up here. If my curls were longer, like in the curly state, if they were like down to my shoulders, I would totally wear my natural hair all the time. But they're not. They're in the awkward like here state, and I don't like it, so I don't wear it curly that often on camera. I should start to. It is growing a lot more, but I do need to take better care of my hair. So, all right, okay, it is really late. It is currently 1:50. I need to go to bed. All right, I'll see you guys. Bye.